Now let's take a look at this figure 23-15, and it's dealing with the largest between the heat and air. So this is basically, what a designer or someone calculating the load has to determine. First of all, they look at the heating unit. Is it gas or electric? That's important. But here we see it's 10 kW in compliance with 220.51. Then we drop down and we have a blower motor, 220.50, as well as 220.14C. And then we drop down to the air conditioner. It's 5.5 kW in this illustration, 440.34. So now which would be the largest load? Well, the 10 kW would be, see. So we would drop the air conditioner load. We would not mess with it anymore until we figured the branch circuit. Or in this case, it wouldn't be eligible to be the largest motor, in my opinion, but some authorities having jurisdiction would consider it to be in run to be the largest motor. So you'd have to consider that. Check with the authority having jurisdiction, 90.4, if you're in doubt. So looking at step 1, 220.60 deals with loads that do not operate together. So you're not going to operate the heat and operate the air conditioner at the same time. You'd only use one of these loads at one time, so that's why you can drop the air conditioner load, because the heating load, is larger. So 10 kW times 100% gives you 10 kVA. 5.5 kW for the air conditioner at 100% gives you 4.5. And some will put 125% onto that. I don't believe you do that, but everyone don't agree with me, and you have to check that out to see what your interpretation would be. So the largest load is the heating load. Therefore, the air conditioner is not eligible to be the largest motor in this case, and I don't think the code would consider it, because it's dropped. It's very clear in your 220.60, and when you look at 220.51 for the heating and 440.34 for the air conditioning, I think you would see that. Now, in the solution then, the heating load would be the largest. We drop the smaller load, the air conditioner. And then in the note it says the authority having jurisdiction, they may consider the air conditioning eligible to be the largest motor, even if it's dropped in accordance with 220.60. So that's a 90.4 interpretation of the authority having jurisdiction, would be from the plan check stage to the installation stage, any area in there where the calculation is performed. And that's what this figure 23-15 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.